Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change photo file names for Cuet. First, it's crucial to understand the specific naming conventions required for your application. Many online forms, including Cuet, have strict rules for how your uploaded documents and photos should be named. Failing to follow these guidelines can lead to your application being rejected or significantly delayed, so paying close attention to this detail is very important for a smooth process. For Windows users, the process is straightforward. Begin by opening File Explorer and navigating to the folder where your photo is saved. Once you've found the image, right-click on the file. A context menu will appear. From this menu, select the Rename option. Now, simply type in the new required file name exactly as specified by Cuet, and then press the Enter key to finalize the change. Mac users can rename files by clicking on the file name twice slowly to activate the editing mode. Once the name is highlighted, type in the new, correct file name and press the Return key to save your changes. Regardless of your operating system, always double-check that the file extension, like JPG or PNG, remains correct after renaming. This ensures the file type is preserved and recognized by the application system. Before uploading, take a moment to confirm that your renamed photo file adheres to all Cuet specifications, including the exact naming convention, file type, and any size or dimension requirements. This final check is vital to prevent any issues during the submission process. Remember, attention to detail here can save you a lot of hassle. Also, for other great deals and to learn more about upgrading your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.